In ancient times, horse milk was a valuable resource for some cultures, particularly in the Eurasian steppes, where horses were first domesticated. It was often fermented or turned into cheese, providing a rich source of nutrition. This practice, known as consuming mare's milk, continues today in certain parts of the world, such as Mongolia and Kazakhstan. In these cultures, mare's milk is not only a traditional beverage, but also believed to possess various health benefits. The use of horse milk as a food source is a fascinating aspect of our shared history with horses. That's all for today, folks. Till next time, stay curious.